Excuse the no makeup. Today's a big day. Today we are hopefully finishing the fence on the second pasture. And then we're done for a while unless we buy more land. So our land consists of about 19 acres. Quite a bit of it is wooded. We have two pretty big pastures. The second one's finishing up right now, or should be finishing up later on. But we're excited. We have cows, and that's going to be the main staple of our business, is just cows. We have chickens, but they're just for ourselves. So we're so excited. There's my daughter. So here's our first pasture. And it's a pretty big one. It goes almost right in front of those trailers. And it just goes back in there. We're still working on cleaning it up. But here's our logo. I help as much as I can, and yesterday I was tying off barbed wire with my husband, but it gets a little hard when you're almost 7 months pregnant to be doing some of that stuff. But I'm very grateful for the people that can come and help, because it's a lot of work. I plan on going to get some shots of the pasture later when they really get working on it. We're waiting for my friend's son. It's a daunting task. They've already put all the T-posts in, and all that's left is tying off the barbed wire. And then we can release the girls into the pasture. Plenty of stuff for them to graze on back there. And we're just excited because it's bigger. And that just means more cows. Our chickens. We have 18 of them right now. A lot of them are Easter eggers, but we don't know the breed of every single one of them. It's kind of just a surprise. They're very vocal. She's the most vocal out of all of them. Hi, you're beautiful. There were already some structures on this property that we eventually want to clean up and use. We are starting to plant our garden. When we moved in, it was almost fall, so we didn't really have a chance to figure out where we wanted to garden and get it going, but now we have a plan. So we are gonna get that started soon. I will definitely have a video about that. I'm excited to have more room because we lived in a subdivision and there was no room in our backyard for a garden. So we're super excited to have the ability to have a garden. There they are. The fence didn't get done today, but the 2 longest sections are done. So when we do get it done, I will definitely record the cows being released into the pasture. But thank you so much for sticking along. Thank you for watching this video and giving me the time. And there will be a lot more coming from us from our little farm startup.